To use your Netspend Visa prepaid card, start by activating it online or by phone, following the instructions provided with your card. Once activated, you can load funds onto your card using direct deposit, mobile check deposit, or by visiting a reload location. Next, you can use your card to make purchases online, by phone, or in person. Wherever Visa is accepted, simply swipe or insert your card, select credit, and enter your PIN to complete the transaction. You can also use your card to get cash at an ATM by selecting the withdrawal option and entering your PIN. To manage your account, you can log in to the Netspend website or mobile app, where you can check your balance, view transaction history, and set up account alerts. You can also use the mobile app to find reload locations, send money to friends and family, and freeze your card if it is lost or stolen. When using your Netspend Visa prepaid card, keep in mind that you can only spend the amount of money loaded onto the card, so you cannot overspend or accumulate debt. Also, be aware of any fees associated with your card, such as monthly maintenance fees, ATM fees, or reload fees. To avoid fees, try to use in-network ATMs. Load funds directly from your paycheck or government benefits, and keep your account active by making regular purchases or withdrawals. Additionally, take advantage of Netspend's rewards program, which offers cash back and other perks for using your card. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of your Netspend Visa prepaid card and enjoy the convenience and flexibility it provides. Remember to always keep your card and PIN secure, and contact Netspend customer service if you have any questions or concerns about using your card.